Okay, you guys, we have the HDMI wall plate. So you will need this wall plate if you are trying to basically hide your HDMI through the wires. Terrible. Through the wall. And this is the female hookup. And we're going to connect it to the male. This fits a standard box. So let me bring that to y'all real quick. So here goes an electrical box, and what we did was we actually drilled a hole. So you see where this little circle at? We drilled a hole in the back, a 1-inch hole, and we put it right through there. I'll show y'all that in a little bit. We put the HDMI through there and hooked it up to the back and then put it on right here. And like I said, this is a standard electrical box and it fits the holes. I'm trying to see it real quick. Okay, right there. And it fits the holes right there. So this fits on a standard electrical box. And that's about it. I will show y'all me hooking this up right now. This is how you want to hook up your home theater. So you can either put your HDMI that way or you can put it that way. Whatever way you want to put it. And then you put the cap on and then you drill in. And that's it. So there we have our HDMI port there. Alright, so now all I do is hook up the HDMI from here and wrap it around the pole. I could go inside the pole and put it up right there. That will be it. Like, comment, and please subscribe.